Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble with the latest Windows 10 update, KB5053606, getting stuck, failing to install, or throwing weird error codes, don't panic. I have got your back. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to fix KB5053606, not installing on Windows 11 version 22 H2. This update is important, but it's also been causing issues for auto users lately. Stay with me as I walk you through a list of methods from quick fixes to more advanced solutions. I will explain each one clearly, and you can follow along at your own pace. All right, let's dive right into the first fix. Step 1 is a classic reboot. I know it sounds simple, but you would be surprised how many times a restart clears up update issues. If you have postponed a restart after another update, it could be causing a conflict. So go ahead and restart your PC before you try anything else. Once you're back in, open Windows Update and try to install KB5053606 again. If it works, you're done. If not, keep watching. We have got more options. Now step 2, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool was made for moments like this. Go to Start, then Settings, then go to Update and Security, and click on Troubleshoot in the left menu. Now click Additional Troubleshooters, find Windows Update from the list, and click Run the Troubleshooter. It will start scanning your system for any issues. If it finds anything wrong, let it fix the problem. Then restart your PC and check Windows Update again. Still stuck? Let's move to step 3. Clear the Windows Update cache. This is where update files get stored temporarily and sometimes they get corrupted. First, press the Windows key and type Services, open the Services app. Scroll down to find Windows Update, right-click it, and select Stop. Keep this window open. You will come back to it. Now press Windows R to open the Run dialog. Type C Windows Software Distribution and press Enter. This will open the folder where Windows keeps temporary update files. Delete everything inside this folder. You might need to confirm with administrator permission. Once that's done, go back to the Services window, right-click Windows Update again, and select Start. Now go back to Windows Update and check for updates again. Sometimes this alone gets the update installed successfully. If it's still not working, it's time for step 4. Download and install the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Select the official site catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now in the search bar, type KB5053606. Make sure you pick the version that matches your system, Windows 1022, H2, and 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your PC. Then download the update file, open it, and install it manually. This escapes the Windows Update service completely. After it installs, restart your computer and double-check by going to Settings, Update, and Security to confirm the update is listed under Update History. Still having trouble? Step 5 is to check for corrupted system files using Command Prompt. Type CMD into the Start menu, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command SFC/scannow and press Enter. Let it run. It may take 10 to 15 minutes depending on your system. This tool will scan your system files and replace anything that's missing or corrupted. Once it finishes, restart your PC. Still no luck? Try the DISM tool. This is step 6. Open Command Prompt again as an admin and type the following command DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let it do its job. It can take a while, just be patient. Once done, restart again and try the update one more time. If the KB5053606 still won't install, step 7 is to disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software temporarily. Sometimes security software blocks updates or prevents certain files from downloading. Just disable it while installing the update, then re-enable it after you're done. Now step 8, check your system's storage space. If your drive is running low, Windows might silently block updates from installing. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and make sure you've got at least 10 gigabytes free. If you're running low, delete temporary files, uninstall unused apps, or move large files to another drive. Step 9, make sure your Windows Update settings are actually enabled. Go to Services again like we did before and double check that the Windows Update service is set to automatic and is currently running. Also make sure the background intelligent transfer service is running too. If either one is disabled, right-click it, go to Properties and set it to automatic, then click Start. Now step 10, try using the Windows Update Assistant. Go to Microsoft's official site, search Windows 10 Update Assistant, and download the tool. It walks you through updating to the latest version, and it often solves these issues that the normal Windows Update can't fix. The assistant checks your system for compatibility, downloads the necessary files, and installs the update all in one go. This usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed, but it's worth it. Okay, now a few bonus tips in case nothing has worked yet. First, disconnect any unnecessary external devices like USB drives, printers, and external hard drives. They can cause conflicts with the update process. Next, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it. Some VPNs interfere with Microsoft servers and cause update downloads to fail or stall out. Also, make sure your device isn't on a metered connection. Go to Network and Internet Settings, click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, make sure the metered connection toggle is off. And finally, if you're completely stuck and nothing is working, you can use the Media Creation tool to do a repair install. This keeps all your files and apps, but reinstalls a fresh copy of Windows 10 with the latest updates built in, including KB5053606. To do this, go to Microsoft site. Download the Media Creation tool and choose Upgrade this PC now. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, that's everything. If you tried all these methods, chances are at least one of them worked and you finally got that update installed. Let me know in the comments which method solved it for you, or if you're still stuck, drop your error code down below and I will do my best to help you personally. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss future troubleshooting tips and Windows tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching, good luck with your update, and I will see you in the next one.